Right here on this jump slide combo, you can see that because of normal wear and tear, this slide blanket has worn down so much it actually has ripped. And so because of the state it's in, we're going to replace the entire blanket. So we're going to show you what it looks like once it's completed, but we can do custom blankets of a lot of different shapes and sizes and different colors. We have white, yellow, and light blue slide blanket material. So depending on your needs or your preference, we can do different colors, and we can do a variety of different sizes, like I said. So we're going to replace this blanket and install the new one and show you what it looks like when it's done. Here's what the replaced blanket looks like. You can see that it is a light blue instead of the white of the original blanket. That's because we recommended to the customer to use the light blue material because the material itself is more durable and will last a bit longer than the other colors. And so he opted for that, so we did the light blue instead. And you can see that we custom fit it for this slide so that it will fit properly and will last him a really long time. So if you want information on getting a custom slide blanket made for your inflatable, be sure to check out the website. We can make them custom here and ship them to you if you just send us the measurements, and you don't even have to send the inflatable to us. And all the information for that is on our website.